Welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Gaussian blur. This is a photo I took a few days ago and the late afternoon light is very moody and I want to keep the overall photo a bit softer. So what I'll do is I'll simply drag the photo to create a duplicate layer. Then I'll head over to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. You can increase or decrease the amount of blur you want in your photo, but it is too much, so I'll simply decrease the opacity of this photo around 45. Let's see the before and after. I have another example of the use of Gaussian blur. Suppose you want to put a text over a photo, but the photo is very cluttery and it makes the overall text very hard to read. All you can do is simply put a Gaussian blur the way I showed you, and voila, it is much more readable right now. It was a quick tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps.